get back to the maps on this Thursday morning. It is a cold start to your Thursday following last night's cold front. 26 with the wind chill temp now down to 14. Those overnight high wind warnings, they have since been allowed to expire across the entirety of southern Colorado. That is good news as we get you out the door. Now in Woodland Park, in case you missed it off the top of the newscast, that snow we saw last night, very light, only collecting about an inch in parts of town, enough to bring some icy conditions to the roadways. Because of that, the Woodland Park School District is on a 2-hour delay for your Thursday. Now, red flag warnings unfortunately set to return in spite of the colder air. We have a west-northwest flow pattern aloft as the system moves across central and northern parts of Colorado this morning. It'll clear out, picking up the wind, and with those gusts around 35 to maybe 40+ miles per hour and the low humidity, red flag warning conditions are expected today between 10 o'clock and 10 o'clock this morning and 7 this evening. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast. Still windy this morning with that north wind on the plains. As we make our way into the afternoon, look at the map, lights up here. The brown shaded area in the mountains will see the strongest gust, up over 50 for I-25. I think most of us see gusts today between about 25 and 40. Strongest winds are going to be west of I-25 on the eastern slopes of the mountains. So we have a Friday storm we're already busy tracking. We mentioned that when we answered Lacey's question a moment ago, but we also have this departing storm energy today and still the interaction with the jet stream to our south, keeping those high winds locked across the state. So here's what it looks like for the remainder of your Thursday through 5 o'clock. Not really expecting much additional moisture. Snow is exiting over the northern plains this morning, and mountain snow will be ending as well. Look what happens as we make our way into early Friday morning. Snow picks up once again across the mountain areas. The San Juans anywhere between 5 to 10 inches of new accumulation. Most other resorts between about 3 and 6. And we do have a chance we get some of that moisture here, but I think the low is traveling a little farther north than what we had seen yesterday, and it doesn't seem as dynamic. So in terms of widespread precip, just don't think we get it. In terms of hefty accumulations, not going to be the case here locally. Now in the local front where we could see some higher totals will be into the Sand Grays, anywhere between 2 to 5 inches there. Around La Vida Pass, Trace to 2, 1 to 2 in Westcliff, anywhere between maybe nothing and a half an inch or so for Monument and the Springs, and up to an inch around Woodland Park and Canyon City. Highs today, the coldest of the month so far. Definitely jacket weather and continuing with that cooler trend on Friday. That SIS or storm impact scale of 1 just indicating that impacts would be minimal across the Pikes Peak region. The cold air lingers this weekend, especially with those overnight lows. A warm up, breezy conditions follow into next week. For Pueblo, 47 today, 40 on Friday. If we do see any snow, I'm not expecting accumulations here. Maybe a dusting on grassy surfaces should not be a concern for travel. Canyon City, we have 40s through the weekend, 60s and 70s by next week. In Woodland Park, it's cold, a bit unsettled at the start of the forecast, dry and breezy into next week. Time now.